students, welcome to the channel. Coming back to the topic, that is unique identifiers of a computer network. As in the previous video, we have discussed that a unique identifier is something that helps us to uniquely identify our system on a network, okay? And we have discussed a unique identifier, that is host name, and we have discussed that host name always work with IP. So the second unique identifier is IP. Okay, IP is also known as Internet Protocol. Okay, protocol means rules. Okay, these are some rules, right? An IP address is a unique address that identifies a device. It identifies a device on the internet or a local network. Okay, this is also used to identify a device uniquely. Every computer system has IP address that is unique for all. Okay, IP is generally, remember this point, it stands for Internet Protocol. Okay, and which is the set of rules governing the format of data. Here protocols means some set of rules, and these rules are for governing the format of data sent with the help of internet or any local network. Okay, in case of IP address, it is the identifier that allow information to be sent between the devices. Okay, suppose this is computer 1 and this is computer 2. Okay, every computer system has unique IP address. This has unique and iska IP address unique hoga. Okay, so with the help of these IP addresses, it allows us to share the information between devices on the network, and they contain location information. IP address always contain location information and make devices accessible for the communication. Remember this point. Generally, IP address allow us to communicate between two or more devices. Okay, every computer device has a unique IP address. Okay, the internet needs a way to differentiate between different computers like routers and gateways. Okay, so IP addresses provide a way of doing so and form an essential part of how the internet works. Okay, the main focus of IP address is to check how the internet works between two devices. Okay, now the next important term is that an IP address is a string of numbers. It is a string of numbers separated by periods. Okay, IP addresses are expressed as a set of 4 numbers. It is generally a set of 4 numbers. For example, 192.158.138. Suppose this is IP address of my system. Okay, every computer system has a unique IP address, and it is a set of 4 sets separated by these dots that is known as periods. Okay, each number in the set can range from 0 to 255. Each can range from 0 to 255. This is the basic range of the IP address. So the full IP addressing range goes from 0.0.0.0 to 255 and like this. Okay, this is the basic range, and this is very important. All these are very important things. Okay, so IP address are not random. If you think we can make any number, we can select any number and make IP address, so this is not possible. Okay, IP addresses are not random. They are mathematically produced and allocated by these are allocated by Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. that is also known as IANA. Okay, these IP addresses are generally produced by IANA. Okay, and a divisor of the ICANN, that is Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. Okay, so this is the general meaning of Internet Protocol, that is the most important and most commonly used identifier in a computer network. I hope you like this video, and in the next video we will discuss another unique identifier. Okay, thank you.